Square has been working on launching this bank for more than 4 years, and this week it is finally up and running. Square Financial Services is an FDIC-insured bank. It's chartered in Utah that will operate as part of the payments company. It got regulatory approval for this about a year ago, but the effort first started back in 2017. There are no bank branches, and for now, it's only on Square's merchant side. So think of small businesses and coffee shops versus the Cash App or consumer banking. It will offer deposit accounts and some loans for small businesses through its lending arm, which is called Square Capital. And before this, Square Capital loans were issued through Celtic Bank. But by bringing this in-house, Square says they can essentially plug into the pipes of the financial system to be more nimble, as the CFO puts it. For now, Square says that they don't expect this to have much of an impact on near-term financial results. It plans to sell these loans to third-party investors to minimize the balance sheet risk. This is pretty similar to how Cash App started. At the time, that was seen as sort of a quieter side project, and it now makes up about half of the company's gross profit. Analysts tell me that the bank could eventually extend over to the consumer side, and that would really align with CEO Jack Dorsey's vision for how these two ecosystems could potentially interact even more than they do now. This also sets the stage for some other fintechs who might want to cut out the middleman in banking and get their own charter. SoFi has applied for a national bank charter, which is slightly different. Square decided to go with it's called an industrial loan charter, or an ILC. That route has seen a lot of pushback from the banking industry. If you remember Walmart back in 2007, critics have seen it as a way for companies to get around some of those rules that have kept banking and commerce separate.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.